Hello friends, today I am going to explain you AM by transistor. In last video, we learned about the modulating index, that is M. When M is equal to 1, then we have the perfect modulation V across the output of AM modulator. Okay. Now, in this video or in this session, I am going to explain you AM modulator. That means what? How to generate amplitude modulated waveform. Basically, amplitude modulated waveform can be generated by using this basic waveform. This is what a modulator. Okay. This modulator can add modulating signal and carrier and generates amplitude modulated wave. Hence, for this you must know the definition of amplitude modulation. So I am going to repeat that definition or revise that definition here. Basically, amplitude modulation means what? Change in a amplitude of carrier according to the modulating signal. So, how to achieve this with the help of transistor, that I am going to explain you, and that is what AM by transistor. जे ह्या ठिकाणी आपण काय शिकणार आहोत तर ॲम्प्लिट्यूड मॉड्युलेटेड वेव्ह ही AM ट्रान्झिस्टर वापरून कशा प्रकारे जनरेट करायची हे इथे मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करणार आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक कंपोनंट दॅट इज वॉट ट्रान्झिस्टर. ओके, so let us see first the construction. So see here, across the base of transistor we applied what? Carrier signal, that is high frequency waveform. This is what? This is a LRC circuit. This is capacitor and here you have the resistor. This is LC tank circuit. Okay, and across the secondary of this we achieve or we have the amplitude modulated wave. Okay, here you have high power audio amplifier and here we applied what? Modulating signal. That means what? Modulating signal is applied to the high power audio amplifier and the output of high power amplifier is applied to the transistor. Secondary of this transistor is connected to VCC. Here you have the VCC and one of the terminal of secondary is connected to this LC tank circuit. So this is what construction of amplitude modulator by using the transistor. Now let us see the working principle. This transistor works in a class C amplifier mode. The carrier signal is applied to the base of this transistor and we know that class C amplifier means what? This transistor can be operates or conducts only for the positive half cycle of the input signal. So this positive half cycle will get inverted here and this LC tank circuit can be tuned for the carrier signal. Okay. Now the modulating signal can be applied to this high power audio amplifier and this output of audio amplifier is connected to the transformer. The secondary of transformer is connected to this tank LC circuit. That means modulating signal will be appear here. Okay, and you can obtain the carrier and modulating signal resultant from across this secondary. Okay, now see, when input voltage is 0, then the secondary voltage nothing but the VCC voltage which is applied here and we obtain only the carrier signal across the output. When the modulating signal is increases or decreases, accordingly the voltage of modulating signal will be added or subtracted from the VCC and that resultant form is added with the carrier signal and we obtain the output here. For example, for positive half cycle of modulating signal, it will get added with the VCC and the carrier waveform voltage will be according to the modulating signal and you obtain the amplitude modulated wave, that is positive half according to the positive half cycle of modulating signal. During the negative voltage, or during the negative, what happened, it will be subtracted from VCC and carrier will be changed according to the modulating signal voltage, and you obtain the voltage like this. So in this way we conclude that the amplitude of carrier will be changed according to the amplitude of modulating signal. Hence we conclude that the output is nothing but amplitude modulated wave. So in this way we learn, or we see the amplitude modulated by using a transistor. So in next section we are going to see the next points of chapter 2. Now let us stop. Thank you.